96.7 KCMQ Boston. Don't look back. Chiefs football coming up. 7:20 kickoff against the Chargers right here.
You got this on?
Classic Rock 96.7 KCMQ.
Oh, okay. All right, well, she's leveling you for the river ties.
It's the shopping. This year, Classic Rock 96.7 KCMQ is doing the shopping for you. With the KCMQ
I think we'd always put rock underneath it, but if you look at all that dirt we dug up, that looks like some really good gardening dirt on it.
And qualify to win the last prize standing. See the prize details now at kcmq.com. You can even win if you're naughty. The KCMQ Holiday Prize Eliminator from Classic Rock 96.7
Let's try it, babe.
KCMQ.
Hold it in there.
Some things just go together.
Thank you for the coffee.
And now, thanks to Lee's Tires, front-end alignments and new tires do too. Now for the entire month of November. When you buy 4 new tires at Lee's, you'll get a front-end alignment for free. Buy 4 new tires, get a front-end alignment for free. Only at Lee's. Salt and pepper, tires and alignments, and for over 50 years, it's been Lee's Tires and their customers.
See Lee's. Mosier's wants to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. And to celebrate right now through November 29th, grab Best Choice frozen turkeys, just $1.19 per pound. Limit 1 with $10 additional purchase. Best Choice bone-in spiral sliced hams, $2.19 per pound. Russet potatoes in the 10-pound bag, just $3.99. And Best Choice canned vegetables in the 14.5 to 15-ounce select variety size, just 59 cents. And remember, Mosier's meats are always a cut above the rest.
Black Dog Outdoors is doing a Black Friday sale. 10% off your entire purchase. Black Dog Outdoors is Mid-Missouri's newest hot spot for any outdoors men or women. Located in Ashland, right off Highway 63 across from Casey's. Get 10% off your entire purchase this Black Friday. They have everything from bait, jigs, lures, so much more. Get stocked up or things to stuff the stockings. The Black Friday sale at Black Dog Outdoors. Find them on Facebook, Black Dog Outdoors LLC or blackdogoutdoorsllc.com. It's amazing how much screen time you can fit into a day. Hey, Cam Jansen here, known for my fights on the ice, and now I'm helping fight cancer by encouraging others to actually increase their screen time. Cancer screening time, that is. Cancer is one of the greatest health threats Missourians face, but it's
what we're doing here, we're trying to get the railroad ties level so we can put the sawmill on here before we unbox it.
Now sure, I see. Hold the camera while the man does the work. Oh, I know. I know about these women. They're all the same. All of them. They're all the same. Say, look at that. You stay there. Stay there. I'll get it. I'll get it myself. Ain't gonna worry. Grandma will get it done. Go Grandma. Alright, now this ain't working. It's gone. When you're serious. Alright, now. The old lady wants me to tell you what I'm doing. I'm listening to Pink Floyd, Money, and digging out some daggone freaking level ass ruts from my railroad ties. Here in the mountains, we don't really have level land, so just gotta kind of make do with what you have. So that's what I'm doing, man. Got the first one leveled, going for the second one. As soon as I get this second one leveled, I come across here and make sure this third one's level. It's temporary now. I put all this work in temporary shit. Imagine that crap. But I have to, right? I don't want some big ass concrete slab when my house is gonna be right there. So, you know, it's ridiculous to leave this shit here. And instead of destroying it, I'm just putting in some temporaries with some railroad ties. Okay, anything else? Any information? I didn't put rock because I know they're gonna level out and kind of unlevel me, so. But I am gonna do a video on putting that thing together. So, hey, fun stuff here in Missouri. Bitch ain't going nowhere, baby.